This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contract the discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
Morning guys, December 2nd, 2019. This one I had a call for a relief valve leaking on a boiler. Now, I've been there a couple of months ago, and they changed the circulator. Circulator flange shut off valve, and now the guy's complaining about the relief valve leaking. So probably a bad expansion tank dash relief valve. So we're gonna go over there and drain it down and check the relief valve expansion tank pressure, and if it's low, we'll change the tank and the relief valve and get them up in purge zones, get them up and running again. Gotta get you some shots. Cold, rainy day today. So that's not that old, that relief valve. No, I don't think I put that tank in because that's not my writing.
That's my writing.
That's your writing.
I wrote that, yeah.
Where's the tag? I would have left a tag. Did I put that in?
I think so.
Where's the tag? I don't see no tag. But anyway, let's check it. We'll drain it down and check the pressure. And we'll see what's going on with it.
Is that what causes the thing to...
Yeah, what happens when you heat the water up, it expands.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to expand in this tank. And for some reason, if it doesn't have the proper pressure or the diaphragm is compromised, it'll build pressure and leak. It could be that this relief valve's just bad. I mean, that's possible.
Yeah.
Don't look like there's a lot of pressure in there. I think it's just a bad relief valve. But we'll check it. We shut all these. So this is not leaking anymore. We'll shut all these. We'll shut all these returns off. It's 4 circulators. We'll need to drain that out. Well, I got flow checks.
Okay.
So I don't believe I need that because the check valves are going to be, you know, working. I got a pit right here. Got the feeder off.
Been busy lately, or?
Yeah, it doesn't mean that this gauge is accurate, but it doesn't seem like a lot of pressure in here. I think this is just bad. Have you hit this at all?
I don't believe so. I don't know if my wife hit it, I hit it. I don't know if I did or not.
Because if you open it and then you let the water out, sometimes it continues to leak, right?
Yeah.
But we'll check it.
I worked there for a few days, right?
Well, the problem is, I mean, if you start opening and closing it, sometimes you get dirt in there,
Yeah.
and then it won't shut off, right? Let's check it.
A bunch of snow out there.
Oh, luckily. Did I bring my light in?
Right, release valve, is that supposed to be down like that the way it is?
Yeah. Well, it's only got 2 pounds in it. I mean, you got a bad tank there. Yeah, it's only got 2 pounds of pressure in it. That's bad tank. Alright, I gotta get another tank and a relief valve. So, I gotta go. Let me go run out and get another tank because I don't have one in the truck, and I'll be right back. I'll leave it.
By himself too long. Yeah?
Well, it starts getting cold out. I mean, sometimes I just leave it home if I'm going to be in one spot for a while. It should be in the truck, right?
Exactly.
So this isn't leaking. We'll put a new relief, a new expansion tank, and that should take care of the issue. I mean, I could have put air in it, but if it leaked out, it's probably going to leak out again, right?
Right.
So you want to change it. That's a smart idea.
We only had 2 pounds in it.
Well, it should be like 11 pounds.
Yeah.
So, like anything mechanical can, you know, leak out.
Yeah, yeah.
That's not something you want to have to keep adding air to, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you don't want to open this relief, okay? Some people open it and see if there's water in the system, and you know.
Yeah. I just leave it alone, basically.
Yeah, it's not a good idea to be playing with it. If it opens, it's a safety. It's there for a reason, right?
Yep.
Unless your kid was over here at Thanksgiving playing around with it.
No, no kids playing around with it. Just my wife and myself. Actually, we had Thanksgiving at our kids' house.
Oh, okay. Let's see if we get that off the other
Steve,
tank.
when you open this thing up, you just to open it though, you just
No, you don't touch nothing.
you
don't touch it. You don't leave it. Don't touch it.
You want it like that all the time.
No, I don't want you touching it. That's there for. Don't play with it.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah, see it come off nice and easy. Oh, it's got. All right. Probably got water on it. You got 12 pounds of pressure in the new tank.
Right.
So when it expands, say 15 pounds, it will expand inside that area,
Right.
and then it'll stop the pressure in the boiler from rising. That's the deal.
Okay.
So it should have, you know, right around 11, 12 pounds of pressure in it.
All the time, right?
Factory charged. So, yeah.
Where do you see the pressure, Steve?
That little pot on the bottom. But you have to drain the system out to check it.
Oh.
If you notice, I drained the system out before I checked the pressure.
Yeah.
And that was the reason. Because if there's pressure in the system, it's going to give you a false reading.
Yeah. There's a valve there to drain it like that?
Nope.
No.
Once the system's up and running, I don't want you to touch nothing. No. If it starts blowing the relief valve, then we get into it like I did this time.
Yeah, yeah.
But there's no reason to play around. I just tighten these things by hand. That's good. So that should take care of it. We'll just purge the zones and we'll be done.
You have more calls?
Feeder was stuck. Well, I'm surprised he's got the feeder and then the 9D. That's backwards. Usually the 9D is on the other side. That's very odd. I don't know why he did that. It's backwards. As long as it works.
Shouldn't touch that one either.
No. I'm going to show you what to look for when it's all said and done.
Okay.
We look at the boiler pressure and, you know, if this thing starts leaking, I mean, then you got to call somebody. Alright, so we'll go up through that one there. That should be pretty much all set because we didn't play around with none of that stuff. But
Backwards is supposed to be down. Yep.
it's supposed to be just like that. You don't want to, yeah, just like that.
Those two in the back over there.
Well, because I got to purge those zones.
Oh.
I got 4 zones to purge here, and I got to do all 4 before I leave.
Oh.
Just to make sure I got no air in the system, right?
Yep.
That's the storage tank, that one there. Shouldn't be no air, but it's good to purge it, you know. Give it a nice. We got 2 more to do, so there'll be 4.
It was running good, you know, last time you came. After that, we running good.
Yeah, you can a little bit of air, get the air out of it, and we'll be good to go. I don't know why they got the feeder in the backflow backwards. That's kind of odd. This belongs on that side, and this belongs on that side, but it'll still work that way. It's just odd, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
When you see something that's not.
Oh, when you have somebody do it, you know, I had this put in about 17 years ago.
Not the way it's supposed to be, but it works. So that's the second floor, I think. We'll back flush it if there's anything in the riser. There was something about the system that was weird. About the zones upstairs or something.
Yeah, I forgot what it was.
Yeah, if it was me, I would have just changed the tank too, because if you put air in it, now you got to keep adding air to it every couple of years or every year. Yeah. I mean, it can be, you got other things to worry about besides that, right? Yeah. Ain't that the truth?
That's true. Over here, and these things here. You change those, They're leaking.
Yeah, that's fine. It's not building pressure, so that's good. The zone, the basement zone. I think there might have been a kink in the line or something we talked about, or that flow check. Yeah, the basement flow check might have been an issue, but we opened it last time to free it. Yeah.
I put it on when it got cold.
Yeah, it's working. It's working now. So.
Yeah. I put it on when it got cold, and it kicked on when I put it on high.
All right, well, we're good. We're good, ready to go here. We just turn all our valves on and turn on the boiler, and we're good to go.
All right. I can empty this out now, or what? This thing here?
Yep.
It's all set, right?
Yep. Yeah, and if you come down here and you see water, you know that there's an issue, right?
Yeah.
Shouldn't be now.
No issue now, right?
Shouldn't be. We got all the valves. All the valves are open. Yeah, I'm just gonna pick up my stuff, leave a tag, and I'm done. Not a bad boiler crown, huh?
Yeah, that's a good one, yeah. My son put one in, that's why I like it.
Alright, new expansion tank, new relief valve, purge zones. Okay, and I got no leaks.
That's fine.